So Carson, how much did you do in the month of November on TikTok Shop?
$40,000. That's profit in my bank account. So I initially started doing TikTok Shop in February of 2023. I did it for 1 month. I made $100 and I quit. When I started doing TikTok Shop, I saw immediate success from lives. I was waking up at 5 and just super locked in every day, and I was going live for 2 hours, and I hit the jackpots of products. I made a 10K month, and then I was making, less than $100 a day. It's like, you are in the trenches. Like, you are seriously going through it. It was super demotivating. I know so many TikTok Shop affiliates deal with this. I was sitting right here. I had a Christmas tree right here I was doing lives with, and I got off a 2-hour live and I just made like $7, just something crazy. And I was like, I have a video saved on Snapchat. I was like, I am done. I'm dropping my ego. I'm listening to Kade's advice word for word. And literally the next month I did 11K. I did 11K October, 15 to 17K, and then last month I did 40K. So
you could get back to 10K pretty quick. Like if all your accounts got banned tomorrow, you can get new accounts and probably get up to 10K within 30 to 60 days, probably for sure. So it takes 1 month to literally change your entire life if you actually commit to it, go through it, and trust the process. And that's exactly what Carson did. So all right, welcome everybody back to another video. So Carson, how much did you do in the month of November on TikTok Shop?
$40,000.
$40,000. And remind you real quick, just for all the non-TikTok Shop people out there, is that revenue or is that commission?
That's profit in my bank account.
That's awesome. That's beautiful, man. So I wanted to bring Carson on here, and it's been a journey for you. So I wanted you to break down your journey, kind of start from the beginning. Like, how did you even hear about TikTok Shop? When did you get into it? And like, what made you just want to get on the platform in general?
So I initially started doing TikTok Shop in February of 2023. Actually, I did it for 1 month. I made $100 and I quit. Some guy in the frat I was in put me on. And then, yeah, I just quit after that month. And then I started again back in March of this year.
Sweet. That's awesome, man. So walk me through kind of your journey. You quit for a long time. What made you get back into it? And how are you doing when you initially did get back into it and start consistently posting? Because I know you started with live. So kind of walk me through that.
So yeah, so I was just trying a lot of different business models. I knew I wanted to make money online. I was trying to do appointment setting and then online personal training. And then I actually started doing TikTok Shop again so I can make money to buy online personal training, coaching business. So yeah, I initially started doing TikTok Shop for that reason, just to make money to get an online personal training coach. But then I started doing TikTok Shop. I saw immediate success from lives. I did like the 60 hard, in which I was waking up at 5 and just super locked in every day, and I was going live for 2 hours, and I hit the jackpots of products. I was on the first people one on the Terra Lotus lives, the beef tallow, and I literally, like, in 6 days I did $1,000 profit in a day, and I was able to hit a 10K month. And then the Terra Lotus slowly dropped down and I was making no money from videos. And then I saw you on YouTube and I was like, this guy knows what he's talking about.
It's funny, when you joined the program, I knew I recognized you from somewhere. I couldn't put a face to it, but I would always see you, your face popping up from the Very Lowest live. So at that time, were you doing videos at all, or were you only doing lives when you were?
Yeah, so I was doing 3 videos. I did 3 videos per day, and I kept on doing the Terra Lotus. Even for videos, it was converting really well on lives, but my videos were just horrible. Literally made no sales. But I was doing whatever, I had non-negotiable 3 videos per day. So I would show up and make those 3 videos, and they were just horrible and didn't convert at all.
So, I mean, obviously, now what has changed and why you're actually converting and having success on videos. But like, what was your initial thought process? Because I know for a lot of people, they struggle. It's like, okay, I'm putting in the work. And in my opinion, one of the worst pieces of advice for people is like, oh, just do more, post more. It's like, no, you got to fix quality before, you actually put in quantity. So in your mind at the time, what did you think was wrong? Or are you just completely confused? Like, I have no idea what's wrong. It's me or something else. Did you have any sort of like guesses?
Yeah, I was just honestly didn't know. I remember you were doing account audits on live, and I joined your live, and you did an audit my account, and I was promoting the beef tallow and Nello Supercom, and you're like, what are these products? Like, I was literally posted 50 videos for Terra Lotus, and you're like, why do you keep on making videos when it's not doing well?
Yeah, absolutely. So I know initially, because correct me if I'm wrong, but I know when you joined, things started to die out for live. So like, what was your thought process? Where were you at, just like personally? Because I know for a lot of people, for the most part, you're going to have some sort of initial success, and then you're going to kind of take a step back because luck's not quite the right word, but there definitely is. My first month, I got lucky. I did $11,000, and then took a 2 month, break where I kind of dropped down to like 5,000, which again, perspective, I get that. But, it's because I didn't really know what got me there, right? So what was your thought process and where was your head at when you started to see those lives dwindle down and you knew that you weren't still making, a bunch of money from videos just yet?
It was super demotivating. I know so many TikTok shop affiliates deal with this, but yeah, when I made a 10K month and then I was making, less than $100 a day, it's like, you are in the trenches, like you are seriously going through it. And thankfully I got videos down. Everyone knows that lives are a great way to make consistent, 3 to 10K a month, but they're not scalable and you're just trading your time for money and you can have the opportunity to make much more money from videos.
Yeah, absolutely. So what was your thought process, right? Because I know you joined the program, and again, one of the things I always ask everybody is, the way that I talk about things, the way that I do things is substantially different than everybody else. What was kind of like the eye-opening moment for you? Not getting too much into the specifics, but like when for the thing that I have everybody do is watch all the course content, right? Did the thing start to click in your head of like, oh, okay, I kind of see why what I was doing was not going to get me, to where I wanted to be, and more you start to see, okay, well, this is why I'm not making anything on videos at all.
Yeah, absolutely. I watched the course material and I was like, damn, this makes so much sense. Like, why isn't I ever doing this this method? And I have a personal brand TikTok page in which so many affiliates follow me, and I go through the page and it's just like their pages are just horrible. And then the second you go through that course material, you're like, what? Like, how did I not realize this like sooner? It just makes so much sense. And not only like your specific method, but also just like consumer psychology and like how to structure videos and stuff like that.
I remember for a while, because you got off kind of to a slow start. I know like you weren't posting for a while. You took a little bit of a break. Like I know you pushed back some of the calls and stuff, but like when you did start posting, I specifically remember on some of your individual one-on-one calls, I didn't want to say you gave me pushback, but you were definitely, hesitant. Like some of the things that I would tell you to do initially, you wouldn't do it. And I'd be like, dude, like Jesse, trust some of these things. So like, what was going through your head where you're like, stubborn is not quite the right word, but you definitely, I could tell there was some hesitancy for sure.
Definitely. I had an ego and I thought, I was the best TikTok shop live streamer and this guy knows nothing, but obviously he's done so much better than me. So I literally remember I was sitting right here. I had a Christmas tree right here I was doing lives with, and I got off a 2-hour live and I just made like $7, just something crazy. And I was like, I have a video saved on Snapchat. I was like, I'm done. I'm dropping my ego. I'm listening to Kade's advice word for word. And literally the next month I did 11K.
Yeah. So walk me through that. So what month was that where you had that kind of, you started to have that big come up? What was it, like September or October?
Yeah, September I did 11K. October, I can't remember exactly, 15 to 17K. And then last month I did 40K. So yeah. There's expansion.
Most of it, and correct me if I'm wrong, but a good portion of it has been like 1 or 2 products still, correct?
Mainly just one product, 90%
product. And it's funny because this is a little piece of information and advice for every single TikTok shop affiliate. Whether you like it or not, if you are going viral, chances are your videos are probably being run on meta ads by some drop shippers. So pay attention to that. And so always on my Instagram feed, I constantly see Carson pop up on Instagram. I was always sending them like, man, this guy's everywhere. So if you are going viral on TikTok shop, chances are somebody's probably running your videos as an ad on Meta, right? And so for you, the way that you view TikTok shop now, right? Because you've gone through that wave of, okay, you had initial success, you fell off, you actually did something about it, right? So how do you feel in terms of confidence now, just, repeating this? Because $40,000, in a month, most people never do that ever on TikTok shop. Like that is 0.1, if not 0.01% of TikTok shop affiliates. Like, how do you feel, confidence wise in terms of repeating this and going into the rest of, this year and also now, 2026?
Well, now I know the system. Obviously some months I'm of course not going to do 40K. I'm sure some months I might do more than that, but I'm just going to stay consistent, keep on showing up, follow your process. And I'm sure there'll be some months I do less, some months will be more, but I'm just going to keep on pushing it through and be consistent. And I'm sure I'll never make less than 10K a month from TikTok shop from now on.
That's, it's funny. That's when you really start to make it on TikTok shop, is like when you have that confidence when you're like, I know no matter what happens, you're not worried about it at all. Like, are you substantially more confident just like your situation and your skills as a whole? Because I know for me that came, 8-9 months in. It's like you think that you're confident until you know that no matter what, even if you started from ground zero, like you could get back to 10K pretty quick. Like if all your accounts got banned tomorrow, you can get new accounts and probably get up to 10K within 30 to 60 days, probably, for sure.
Absolutely. I wish I could go back to myself back in March and shake him and say, join the Kade course right now and start implementing the knowledge, because yeah, absolutely. It's one thing for Kade here to sit and say, I've done 3 million GMV, I made all this money, but to have so many student wins that are following the exact same process, it's like, you're guaranteed to win if you put in the work.
There are, and you could say whatever you want. There's a lot of Carsons out there of the world and other people, who see these videos. Did you watch any like the student interviews before you joined? I assume you did. Is there one?
Yeah. I watched, when I was considering joining, I watched, there was just Tyreek and Ashley. So literally, yeah.
So a long way. So there's a ton of those out there watching, right? There's a substantial amount of people who, have been doing TikTok Shop for a long time. They haven't had the success that they want, or they want to get, started on the right foot so that way you don't waste months on end. What is your one message to those kind of people, as someone who has gone through the ups and the downs, had the initial success on lives, went at videos for a long time? Is there one specific message or anything that you have to say to them?
Absolutely. The universe is very generous and it will give you exactly what you deserve. And if you put in the work, it will match your output. Exactly. So yeah, all these people that you see doing like crazy numbers, like, all these case studies, they're like, none of us are special. Like, I don't know, I'm not charismatic, I'm not funny, like none of us are special. I'm just really like, you see all these videos of these people on the internet making crazy money and you're like, I'm 16 years old and I made $1 million a month. The truth is, like, none of these people are special. They just put in the work. And yeah, there's people that go to my gym that literally drive $500,000 cars, and I speak to them and it's like, they're just everyday normal people. And I truly believe that, like, if you really put your head down and put in the work, anyone can do it.
And that's the most important part is, putting your head down and doing the work. Carson, he definitely went at it for a long time. And, especially with TikTok Shop, it's crazy. Like, most people never make $40,000 a month in their entire life. And to be able to go through that journey in less than 6 months is pretty freaking cool. So is there any other final message? It doesn't even have to be about TikTok Shop, just kind of through your journey, something that you wish that you would have known, anything at all.
Yeah. So the results of your efforts are often delayed. So, you're putting on all this effort, you're studying these videos, you're taking notes, you're making these videos, and then you're just not seeing any results immediately. Like, the positive results are delayed in life. You can see negative results instantly. You can drink a bottle of Jack and go drive and see the negative results today. But if you decided to change your life, wake up early, get on your grind, it takes months and months to see those results. So yeah, just keep on focusing on the inputs and it will all come.
I'm gonna quote that. I think that might be the best quote I've ever heard on the channel. You can drink a bottle of Jack and feel the results right away. But
for sure.
Anyways, I appreciate you, Carson. Again, just to kind of summarize this, with Carson specifically, he it took him a couple months to get going. I know he had some stuff going on. He didn't get right into it right away, but even still, when he actually did start consistently posting, he gave some kickback for a little bit. But that's the commonality between every single one of these videos that you've seen. And I tell everybody this that's in the program that works with me, is that the people who get the best results are the people that drop the ego and just do it. I'm not saying that I'm always right. I'm not saying that I know everything. However, I've been around, I've done this for 2+ years now. And the people who get the best results are the ones that trust in the system, trust in themselves, trust the process, right? And most importantly, see the upside of everything. So many people, they're scared of doing something. They're scared of investing themselves because they're only focused on the negative, right? So the negative is something that's not going to completely ruin your life. And the positive, the upside, is that your life is completely changed forever. For most people, $40,000 in a single month by itself, like, literally, if you invest $40,000 and you let that sit for 30 years, especially, at your age, like, that's, hundreds of thousands of dollars. That is literally life changing. So it takes 1 month to literally change your entire life if you actually commit to it, go through it, and trust the process. And that's exactly what Carson did. So I'm very, very happy for you, man. I look forward to seeing what you can do, especially in 2026. And what are your goals for 2026 for TikTok Shop or just income in general?
Just keep on grinding. I'm trying to aim for at least 20K a month in commissions. Hopefully I'll launch some products here soon, and yeah, just keep after it, keep on grinding.
Perfect, man. Appreciate you, Carson. We'll see everybody in the next video. If you do want to apply for the program, again, it's for serious people. This is not for people who want to post 1 video a day. This is not for people who want to say that they want to make $10,000 a month and post 1 video a day or post 1 video every other day. That is not for you. That is not who for this program. That's not who this program is for. If you're someone who wants to potentially try to have their life changed by TikTok Shop, do the work, have their goals match what their actions are, then you can apply in the program for the program down below. So I'm extremely sick. I'm fighting through this, but The link is going to be in the description if you guys want to apply for that. Again, this is for serious people only. If you are not serious, this is not for you, because I take a lot of pride in the results that people like Carson have got in this program. And that only happens by accepting people who are serious and who are actually going to put the work in. And so that way they can have their lives changed by TikTok Shop, like the dozens of people like myself, Ashley, Carson, and everybody else that you've seen on this channel. So with that, I will see everybody in the next video.